everyone, my name is Angeline. Today, we're focusing on one of the most important aspects of detailing, cleaning, and prepping your car's exterior. A proper wash is crucial not only for maintaining your car's shine, but also for preventing paint damage and setting a solid foundation for any further detailing steps. Let's start with the pre-wash. Pre-washing is essential because it removes loose dirt and contaminants from the surface before we start the main wash. This helps reduce the risk of scratches. We'll be using a foam cannon for the step, which coats the car in thick foam. The foam helps to loosen and break down the dirt, making it easier to wash away without rubbing dirt directly onto the paint. Now, let's move on to the two-bucket wash method. One bucket is for soapy water, and the other is for rinsing the wash mitt. This is crucial because you don't want to transfer dirt back onto your car from the mitt. Before each dip into the soapy water, you'll rinse the mitt in the clean water bucket to remove any particles. This technique reduces the chances of scratching or leaving swirl marks on your paint. Using the right tools is key to achieving a scratch-free wash. Always use a microfiber wash mitt because it's soft and designed to trap dirt in its fibers. For the wheels, use specialized wheel brushes such as wheel brush and detail brush to clean hard-to-reach areas. And when drying, be sure to use a soft microfiber towel. This prevents scratching and avoids leaving swirl marks behind. After rinsing, it's important to dry the car quickly to prevent water spots, which can be damaging to the paint. Using a microfiber towel, gently pat and wipe the car dry, working your way from the top down. And there you have it, a thorough, safe wash that sets the foundation for a great detailing job. A clean surface is the first step toward achieving that mirror-like shine. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into more advanced detailing techniques. Thanks for watching, and happy detailing!